Please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications.
Tighten your belt. Here's an example sentence. Gerald's hours just got cut. Now that he's part-time, he'll have to tighten his belt. Which of the following definitions is correct? Is it A, to make an important announcement? Is it B, to have recently lost weight? Or is it C, to spend less than you did before because you have less money? And the correct answer is C, to spend less than you did before because you have less money. This idiom comes from the Depression era when there was little money for anything, including food, so people had to tighten their belts in order to keep their trousers from falling down. If you have less money, you will buy less food, eat less, lose weight, and then have to tighten your belt. Here's an example in a business situation.
Our sales are down by almost 30%. People just aren't buying our products anymore.
You're right, everyone in town has been tightening their belts since the factory closed. We'll have to rethink our pricing.
Listen and repeat. Tighten your belt.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. You can also sign up for a live lesson with a teacher.